What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I got a fire-ass bonus video for you. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's fire. It might be police. I told you guys it might be police. All right, guys, so today's bonus video, I got something very interesting for you guys. Just a quick walk around of an individual vehicle, and this is a brand new Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. That's right, it is a 2020 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with the LED spotlight. She's only got 7,973 miles on it. So why is it here, you may ask? Well, I think it's because of that back there. You can see right here, Police Interceptor on the rear. Let's go take a look at the damage before we jump into the vehicle itself and see how it runs. Oof, I'm getting jizzed on by the trees again, man. All right. Look at that's not, you know what? Replace that hatch, replace the back bumper. The crash bar and stuff is fine. I think the police department just wanted to total it. Tail light, rear hatch, bumper cover, keep it moving, man. You're good to go. You wouldn't even have to straighten out anything. That back bumper, that crash bar and everything looks good. Let's take a look at her from the inside. I know that sounded perverted, but looks like she's got power, and she does take a key. So let's see if she fires up. Oh, it's a hybrid. It's a hybrid, so because it's a hybrid, it doesn't fire up the engine right away. You got to get on the gas pedal to make the engine fire up. So it's electric. Wow. You got a low gear button here for towing. You can see all of their gear was right here, right? You had a regular back seat. Doesn't look like this had a cage in it. So this is probably a detective's car, I'm gonna guess. That would be my guess. Probably a detective's car. But they took everything out this except the spotlight, which I wonder if it still works. It does. You can see it right there. Woo, 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 woo. Whee! I know I'm having too much fun. But, woo. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Can you tell me why your car is so slow? Excuse me. I'm gonna stop, because I'm gonna say something and get in trouble, because I'm gonna troll too hard. Excuse me, can you tell me where your Instagram account... Stop. I'm gonna stop. Welcome to your connected vehicle. Now, they had another thing up here. Where was their laptop bracket? I'm guessing it was right here, and it came up, right? Okay, welcome to your connected vehicle. Get the benefits of in-car features, software, connected vehicle. Okay, so I guess it was like... Huh. So yeah, the engine is cutting off and on. The AC is ice cold. I'll be honest, for somebody that just wants a good running and driving hybrid Ford Explorer right now, you could probably get this for a song. It's funny that it's got a full tank and it says 202 miles to empty, and this is a hybrid. It does not instill confidence to me in the hybrid system in this car. It really doesn't. Let's wow, that air conditioner is ice cold. I'm enjoying that. Well, let's go see what their hybrid system looks like under the hood, shall we? Oh boy. At least we know it runs. That damage, and like I said, the damage on this one is really not that significant to warrant a it to be completely just cast away like this, you know? I don't see it. Oh, wow. Once you pull the lever, that's it, huh? So this is the hybrid system. I don't see a big, like Toyota has like a half battery, half, whoo, it's hot. Whoo. Ooh, I think I burned my finger on that one. Damn. Shit. You know, like half hybrid, half gas thing, and I'm not, okay, now I see it. It's down there towards the bottom. Wow. Just different, man. Just different. Yeah, that's gonna blister. I can feel that. That's a good burn. That black paint is hot, boy. Well, I mean, if you've never seen an Explorer police car from 2020, this is what they're running. They're running V6 hybrid police cars. You know, hybrid all-wheel drive. Yeah, you're not catching nothing with this. I'm sorry. In case y'all didn't know, the top speed on these, even if they're tuned, I think the fastest ones in the country are with the Nevada Highway Patrol, and I think they top out at 116 miles an hour is what these top out at. So not that I'm telling you, you know, if you were going like 140, they wouldn't have a prayer in catching you. I'm just saying, you know, they top out at 114. Do what you want with that information. That's it. And that's the ones that aren't hybrids with the Highway Patrol. I can imagine this might maybe go 100, maybe 0 to 100 in the next week. I don't know, man. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. It was just a bonus video, something I saw. I didn't think I was going to put it in its own, you know, in a walk around with a bunch of other stuff. I just saw this on my way out after doing a walk around and figured you guys, you know, I'm not going to add it to the other one. I just give you guys a bonus video with this. And it's like I said, it's not bad. The lot number's right there. It is a 20. And like I said, for somebody that wants a good running and driving, and by the way, you probably wouldn't get pulled over in this vehicle, Ford Explorer, because of how it looks with that spotlight, and the spotlight does work, you know, replace this back hatch, replace the back bumper cover, and keep it moving, man. Don't do anything else. Drive it to your heart's content. It's brand new at 7,000 miles, and I bet you get this thing at like half of retail. This thing will be a steal for somebody. And it'll be a great family car. Somebody will drive the wheels off this damn thing. I bet your ass, man. So, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's bonus video. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you for the 2020 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. If you like this video and you like what I do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you have not already. And again, like if you really want to support me, you can hit the thumbs up. It's free. It doesn't cost a dime, and it does a lot for the channel. If you really want to support me, you can go over to tksgarage.com and pick up some of my fire-ass merch. And, you know, you can also jump on the monthly membership. I think they start at like 99 cents, $1.99, something like that. You can jump on the monthly membership, get one of them cool little badges and emoticons and all the other stuff that comes along with membership here on TK's Garage. If you want to pick up some merch, you can find it over at tksgarage.com. If you want to sign up for an account here at COPART, you can do it at copart.com. Sorry, I was squinting like crazy. copart.com/TK's Garage. With that said, thank you guys very much for watching. That's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next one.